Comertia is the Catalan Association for Family Retail Business, an organization that brings together retail companies with a recognized brand and dedication to leadership in their industry. Comertia brings together some 100 commercial brands, totaling over 5,000 retail outlets. It employs more than 40,000 people and jointly turns over around 5,000 million euros. With the motto "Share to Compete", Comertia focuses on planning activities that promote the exchange of knowledge among partners. Organizing throughout the year various meetings are work meetings organized for the functional areas of the businesses. Comertia Retail Day, an event that is open to the public with a program of top-level speakers from the commercial distribution industry: Nike, Inditex, Telefonica, Barça, Toast, Mango. Comertia members decide during the General Assembly the organization's annual activity, and at Christmas a dinner is held with Comertia families. In the area of studies and publications, the Retail Indicator each month publishes a report which reflects the trend of sales, total and by industry, as well as the evolution of retail outlets and employment in the companies. The Catalan Association of Retail Family Business is the editor of the Comertia Retail Management Collection, and every year publishes a book on a specific subject. Every 2 years, Comertia publishes a report on remuneration of the industry. Periodically, Comertia also commissions market research to provide partners information. And to manage all this information, Comertia has an innovative communication tool available. Its own app has a schedule of activities, chat, locations of Comertia stores and contact with members. Creating synergies among companies, increasing competitiveness, improving the operating accounts of its members, defending the interests of the retail industry before the government, and brand awareness. Comertia since 2002, sharing to compete.